It's about to get pretty snowy here in Colorado, which is crazy because I was just walking around in a tank top yesterday. But starting on Saturday, we've got a chance for snow every day leading into next week, and there is potential for a bigger storm system on Tuesday and Wednesday. I'm meteorologist Kylie Burse. It is Thursday, February 6th. Let me walk you through your forecast, what we know, what we don't know. Make sure you get outside and enjoy the next couple of days. Today, we're still going to be in the 50s, tomorrow in the 60s, and then Friday night into Saturday is our first little system, and then again for Sunday morning, and then looking ahead to next week. Look at that cool down. We go from 60s, almost near 70 this week, down into the 20s for highs. Friday night snow is mainly going to have an impact on our mountains. Good news for if you want to go skiing on Saturday morning, 2 to 5 inches up in our northern mountains. Saturday morning, we could see a little bit of that light flurry action here in the metro area. Probably a lot of melting, but maybe a dusting. Another quick little round coming in for Sunday morning. This is probably not going to add much. Maybe another couple of inches up in our mountains here in the metro area. Still probably looking at just a dusting. But what I'm watching really closely is next Tuesday and Wednesday. There's potential that we could actually get a decent snowstorm here that would impact the metro area, bring some really good numbers up into your high country. But we're still about a week out, and I always emphasize this: you can't get too hung up on numbers too early. So if you see numbers starting to float around, just know things will likely change. I mean, look at the difference from one model to the next. These are my two that I kind of push out that far. Could potentially see a foot of snow according to the GFS, which usually is a little bit dramatic. The Euro's been much more reliable this season, so that's showing about 5 inches. So just know this is something that we're watching, and hopefully we'll have a better idea of when we get closer.